Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo. Make sure I look immaculate. Look at your boy. Look at your freaking boy. Your boy freaking glowing. I'm freaking glowing, yo. I got the glow. You see the dimples? You see the cute dimples? You see the gap? You hear the freaking sexy ass accent? I got the glow. I'm glowing. Don't let no one take your glow away. Because your glow is your essence. Your glow is your quintessential. Your glow is your life force. Your glow is your soul. Your glow is your being. Your glow is